Santa's here.
What?
Wake up.
Christmas! I'm so excited.
Yes. Let's go. Come on. Wait, where's the presents?
I can't see any presents.
He didn't leave us any presents.
I don't know why. We've been good.
Let's see if he's still outside. Come on, hurry up.
Let's take our boots over there.
Okay. There's Santa! Cut the Nerf!
Stop.
I think he's giving us presents.
I want present, Santa. I can.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What do you want?
We just want our presents. We couldn't find it.
I want a present. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Let's see what Santa brought us.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Wow.
Santa brought
Headphones.
He got me headphones too. Mine are blue and green. They're angel wing headphones.
Mine too. They have beautiful angel wings on it. That's not yours. Oh my God, Matty! It says instant music sharing. That means we could connect our headphones and listen to music together.
Okay, let's open it up so we can see how it really looks.
Okay, let's open it. Wow, it looks really pretty.
Let's see mine. Whoa, that's cool. And it has these little angel wings. Now me and my sister have matching headphones.
Yeah.
Duh.
Okay, guys, look, it can expand. I have purple and pink headphones.
Let's see how Santa likes it. He approves of it. I have blue and green.
I have purple and pink.
Mine is better.
Mine is better.
No, mine is better.
Mine looks so fluffy, but the inside feels like I'm wearing earmuffs. Okay, guys, now we're gonna connect his headphones to this hole and see if it works.
Okay, so let's put this, then let's connect it to the phone. What song do you want to put?
Maybe Frozen.
No, yuck.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's see if it works.
Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
I didn't do anything. I was just sitting here. No.
You're not gonna put this on YouTube, are you?